Wonder what this man is doing, man. I'm hungry. Hey, hon. What you doing?
Well, I'm actually on the new No Wake app, and I'm looking up that marina right there.
Which one? That one right there?
Yeah, that big old marina. And it's cool because I believe that's where we're going to be launching out of tomorrow. But also, I know you were hungry, so they also have restaurants along the area here, and there's one right there.
Right there?
Yes.
Nice.
So this app is really cool. It's working very well. I'm loving it. And yes, we'll kind of use this today and get some food.
Let's see.
Because remember how yesterday we were just looking for food and we couldn't find food, but I didn't realize the No Wake app literally helps you find food. So we're gonna get ahead and pack up. We're going to the National Forest. What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June, and today I'm bringing you a video from the top of the mountain. We're in YUNQUE, National Rainforest here in Puerto Rico. See our beautiful view. You see everything. You see the coast. You can see our hotel. Well, actually, it's a condominium that we're staying in tonight and tomorrow. But the big, tall buildings back there. You can see a nice, beautiful tower. It's going to be an awesome day again. Still a little shook up from yesterday's adventure. Oh my gosh! But look, we're climbing even higher today. The breeze feels so nice up here. We're going to be going to some waterfalls. We're going to check out some trails, do a little exploring while we're over here. All right, we're going to hit, I don't know what we're hitting, but we're hitting something, a trail that leads to a probably, hey, wow, wow. Ooh. Oh, look at this, hon. Oh, wow. You want to go over there? Yes. I talk. I answer my own questions. Whoa! All right. Ooh, what a beautiful waterfall. Look at that. Guys, this is a beautiful area. I'm gonna put a point of interest on the No Wake app so you guys can check it out. Beautiful area, so beautiful. But we're hiking, so there's gonna be a bunch of different little spots where we're gonna find. I'll let you go before I fall over into the water. Up the mountain we go, up the mountain we go. Whoa. This is a tortoise plant. Oh, so many different plants here in the rainforest, and animals. I hope we don't run into any animals. All I've seen is birds, chickens, goats, dogs, cats, roosters out the yin yang. Yeah, we've seen cows on the hills, horses. We see some tecatos. For my Spanish people, y'all know what that is. We seen them leaning. They were just like trying to smoke a cigarette, that type of shit. Wow, look at that. Guys, we found a gem. I think we found a gem. Everybody else is here. We found something. Hold on. Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
How beautiful is that? There's the entrance.
Yeah.
She's going in, people.
You gonna get in?
No. I want to go in, but I got so much stuff in my pocket. Oh, sucks. So this is another waterfall that I will mark on the No Wake app. It's gonna be under my point of interest. And understand, guys, you gotta follow me, make sure you know where my point of interests are at. I bet.
I gotta stand the waterfall. Oh, that was great.
How you like it?
It's beautiful.
It feels great.
It feels great.
Yeah.
At first it's cold, but once you're in it, it's like,
Yeah,
you're good.
it feels really nice.
It's so refreshing.
So amazing, bro.
Ready to go to the next adventure?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Go. Nice. Down the mountain we go. Down the mountain we go. One wrong step and you're falling down quick. Down the mountain I go. Special edition, new release coming out April. Go cop it.
Oh my God. That felt so good. Oh, it was so beautiful. At first it's like cold. Ah!
Nice little beer we are having. There's a little spot right off the mountain. Pretty cool. They sell food here and everything. We'll be journeying back up. Well, we're up, but more. We are down from the mountain. We've left YUNQUE. We are now at Jibaros here in, what's the name of this area?
Jibaros.
I know this is Jibaros.
Oh, Luquillo Kiosk.
Luquillo Kiosk. That's what we're doing today.
I'm in
not today, but
Jibaros
that's what we're doing now.
and the kiosk in Luquillo Kiosk.
So, we just ordered food, waiting for that to come out. And just relaxing right now.
I
Getting ready for
figured
our
you'd be hanging out on the
bioluminescence kayak tour that we're doing tonight.
Oh, you're afraid of a little
I can't
water?
take cameras on that, but I'm gonna try to get some of the footage in. But we're gonna go ahead and get some food in. We're starving. This looks amazing. Look.
Pernil, arroz con gandule, chuleta cancan.
So what a amazing day we've had today. The YUNQUE was off the chain.
It was great, beautiful. I just love the greenery.
We didn't go to the very top, like hike up the mountain, because one, it was raining up there. Two, we have a lot of activities going on, especially today. We got another one tonight. And hiking all the way to the top would have not just killed me, but it killed her too.
It was going to take about altogether 3 hours just to walk the trail.
Well, yeah, it was like an hour and a half to going and an hour and a half coming back. So that definitely, you know, we took a lot of precautionary because we didn't want to.
We will be coming back right now.
Yeah, we got another big event tomorrow morning that we got to go do. Not that we got to go do. We are loving the fact that we have the locals here in Puerto Rico throw a ride for us, and we're gonna actually have a barbecue and everything. So look forward to the next video for that, because that's gonna be an awesome event.
Tell them what we're doing tonight.
Oh, tonight we are going to the bioluminescence kayaking. I told you guys earlier I was going to try to bring the camera, and but I don't think I'm going to get any footage. It's going to be pretty dark. We'll try to capture something on the phone if we can, but yeah, don't expect too much footage from that tonight. All right, everybody, me and Gladys are doing the bioluminescence. We're out here, we got to wear a mask, so I apologize for if you can't hear me too good, but our tour guys place is over there. We're gonna go and check this out, but we can't bring the cameras along, guys, as you know. But we'll try to bring some type of footage, but I doubt it's gonna be anything. It's pretty dark out there, and hey, it's pretty dark out there, and we're probably not gonna get snow footage. So I appreciate you guys watching the video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video, guys, because tomorrow, I mean not tomorrow's video, but next video is gonna be crazy. We're gonna be out here with the locals, so make sure that you check that one out. But thanks again. Make sure you also download the No Wake app. The description will be below, so make sure you go and do that. But we out of here. We're gonna go and do this kayak tour, guys. Peace out.